changeover. I'm gonna change over, put on the chiller system. A small chiller. I think it's I don't even know, maybe a 60 ton or whatever the case may be. I've been doing a lot of piping lately, so that's why I don't really have much of any type of repair videos. So mostly big Victolic piping. I'm fixing some of those problems. This so-called fitter put together. They piped in a chiller and everything is just all screwed up. And now I'm just piping in 2 water source heat pumps. And I'll give you guys a shot of that later. I won't, I'll try to see what I can do as far as recording the job. But so I got a little mess here. There's a lot of junk and it's all fittings and all day fittings. But that's what I've been doing lately. Check out this new clip light that I just got. It's pretty similar to that, it's not a clip light, I apologize. Where is that clip light? I don't know where it is. But anyway, pretty similar to the clip light. Oh, it's right here. They kind of act the same way. I'll open it up later and show it to you guys. It's pretty cool. 200 lumens. This one has a hook in the back. Anyway, that's enough. Let me go down there and do this changeover real quick. Okay. My shelf is falling off, man. I gotta put one more hanger, one more secure it somewhere down in the middle. But anyway, take you guys along. Take you guys along, not along. Yep, we've been doing a lot of piping. So not much to show. I'm sure you guys are sick of the piping jobs. So redundant, repetitive, cut fittings, solder fittings. But this one is, maybe I should take you guys through the process of how to pipe in a water source heat pump. You know what, I'll do a video on it so you guys get to see what's involved. It's a noisy pump. I thought I'm doing a changeover. They're telling me come over here for a changeover. It's still kind of cold out. Some buildings we already did the changeover, yeah. Do a little video for my channel. Oh wow, have you guys put it in?
Oh yeah,
it looks great. They did a fantastic job. Very nice. Look how quiet it is. Oh my god. That other thing was so loud. Jesus. This has VFDs in it, right? Yeah. What a quiet machine. But they did a nice job. Plumber did a good job. So let's take a look. That one?
Yeah.
This should come off, right?
Yeah, it should.
There it goes. Yeah, he did a nice job, the plumber. The boiler's still working after the cleaning, huh?
Yep. Made it through the fucking winter, that's all they needed.
Couldn't even see what that is. That's the bearings, boy. That's the bearings, bud. Make sure the Lovejoy is good. Yeah, the bearings are gone. I hear it. Everybody hears it. I thought I'm doing a changeover, so I didn't even bring my tools with me. I just bought the... Let me take this off and see. I hear it. Oh yeah. we're gonna have to, as a matter of fact, let me go get my Allen key and let me separate it and just turn just this on.
Right.
Just to make sure. I mean, there won't be no load on it. It'll quiet down probably, but I just want to confirm it. Because it could be this too, you know? So give me a few minutes, I'll be right back. Alright, what I want is I want to separate. Oh, the plumbers did that.
Did you come here before?
Yeah, I was just here.
Oh, okay.
I went back. I thought it was a startup, preseason startup, a changeover, whatever you want to call it.
Yeah.
Then he's like, oh no, it's just a pump. I said, oh, okay. Let's see which one slides. We'll see which one slides out. Let's see.
You're the pump master now. Is that what it is?
I'm the pump master.
I don't think they send anybody else on pump jobs.
They don't send nobody else in pump jobs.
You worked with this guy, Donovan, yet?
No, I saw him today.
I never seen him. I heard about it. I never seen him. That's the only guy I haven't worked with in this whole fucking company. I've literally worked with every single person in this company.
You know what really pisses me off? Like, if I tell, how is he doing? How is that guy? Is he good? Yeah, I like him. He's pretty good. Okay, no, next day I'm not with him anymore. This is like the 5th time. Every time I say the person is good, I'm not with them anymore. Like, what the hell?
Which guy did you like?
Like, when I work with you, you know, I'm not with you anymore.
Martin did put on he's basically on his own right now.
Martin. You know, the same. Every time I say, and then, what's his name steals my helpers. Pumps are so nice. Anyway, I'm gonna take the motor out and take it to the shop, repair it, and bring it back. What I'll do normally, I'll cut this. By the colors, so I know which one was what. They said that this pump is not that old. My guess is not aligned properly. No, it is. Even this one's kind of noisy too. Yeah. Not too bad. Wait for the hand truck. Then it's all yours, bro. One time, two time. Now, I don't remember which one was what. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay. I'll leave these bolts here. They said the plumbers changed this pump not too long ago, but I don't know. I don't think so. It looks old to me. They don't know.
They changed it last week.
They just changed it 2 days ago.
You mean 10 years ago?
Oh yeah, 10 years last week, same thing.
They do that all the time.
You guys just installed this unit. You called the office. Yeah, it was installed in 1992. All right, so I'll leave this here.
It's still under warranty.
It's still under warranty. I remember my husband was still alive when you guys installed that unit. That's how I know. It was 15 years ago. It should be under warranty.
Yeah, but at first they're like, yeah, it was just like yesterday. They'll go on about that until they realize something like that. They're like, oh yeah, my husband was still there.
Oh yeah, yes,
10 years ago,
you're right. It is 10 years because my husband was still alive. Oopsie daisy.
Now I have Juan Carlos to take care of.
Now I have to dig into my $25 million account and have to pay $15,000 for a unit. You know, it's like they're so freaking rich and they're just like so cheap. Calm down. Jesus Christ.
That's how they stay rich.
This is how they stay rich, by not spending. I don't want to live like that, bro. I want to spend my money.
In between sucks just as much. People don't think it does. It's the upkeep.
Yeah.
Somewhere in between being high middle class and rich. Sucks too.
People are crazy, man. So I need to put the lock here and why not these? And that's it. We'll get my lock, we'll lock it up.